Farhan Akhtar talking about some weighty issues, including his new cop act in a film with Amitabh Bachchan.
Farhan Akhtar is obviously a man who enjoys performance pressure in many ways. When he's not putting the pressure on himself for his latest role, he's putting his pressure on himself to perform. And the latest performance pressure is really, I think, for Wind Song, because it sounds like it's the first time you're going to be performing in front of a massive crowd, right?
Well, this is the first kind of a festival
Yeah.
thing that we're doing, where we're doing 3 concerts, 2 in November, 1 in January. So I'm very excited, but honestly, this is there's no pressure.
There's no pressure.
No.
Okay.
In this performance, there's no pressure. I mean, this is truly a lot of fun to do, and it's about having fun. On stage, and of course, the people who come in there, you want them to have a great time as well. So there's no pressure at all, because I mean, we need to be having fun for you to have fun.
Absolutely. But I mean, it is a bit nerve-wracking, right? I mean, when there are thousands of people, or is it something which is just like, which is second nature to you now?
No, it's not really about second nature, but there's a certain energy that happens, leading up to getting onto stage, that kind of just lifts you. And like I said, there's a connection you have with your band. And that's most important, to just kind of connect and play your music and have a great time while playing it.
So just go with the flow.
For me, this kind of performance actually is very liberating.
Okay.
Then there's no pressure whatsoever.
Okay, well, it's good to hear that, because we are obviously looking forward to you perform, and I'm sure you're going to be absolutely amazing. And I was just telling Farhan before we started this interview, we're loving the new look. We've heard a lot about you putting on 8 kilos and stuff like that. Clearly, the 8 kilos has not been put on yet.
No, the thing is that I have put on.
Or is it in muscle?
It's meant to be in muscle.
Oh, okay.
I think the confusion usually happens when someone says you're putting on 8 kg, you're expecting someone to like waddle in like this.
Like a donut, a human
but
donut.
No, that's not it. It's actually putting on like muscle weight. Because I'm playing a cop in a film. So you need to look slightly more cop-like.
More cop-like. Well, you're certainly not copping out. That's from preparing for the role, as we can see. And obviously, Farhan, this whole performance is not really just about the adulation that you're going to get from the audience and from the crowd. It's also, as always, to put across the message, because you're someone, I think, who is a very socially conscious actor and a person and a man as well. So tell us what kind of message will be coming through with your performance as well.
Well, I mean, on every concert that we do, there is the message of Mard, that's a part of the performance. We do the poem on stage. Now we have the song Chule Asman, that we're going to perform as well. But I mean, again, predominantly at the concerts, you want people to come in, enjoy their favorite songs, sing along. And again, music, of course, it's a great vehicle for messaging. But we let the music do it. As opposed to really sitting and lecturing people, because that's not what they're there for. So as long as everyone's kind of having fun, they're connected to one another, they're connected to the band on stage, and somehow your heart opens up, when you're having this kind of experience. So anything that's put out there, it's easier for, it's more memorable, it stays with you as an experience for longer, and the message somehow hits home a lot more. So I mean, it is. I mean, the Mard poem and the Chule Asman song is going to be an integral part of our set. But again, it's not something that it's just there as messaging for you. It's not about lecturing people.
Okay, fair enough. And also talking about messages, I mean, we're in very politically charged times at the moment. Where are you going to be on October 15th, and what are the messages that you hope are really dealt with in this election? What's really at the top of your mind at the moment?
Well, I mean, I think what everyone wants, and what everyone has wanted for a really long time, I think most importantly is clean governance, and corruption-free governance, I think is a big one. I mean, just purely from a city point of view, there's a lot that Mumbai still needs in terms of infrastructure, in terms of just basic amenities for people to be able to live comfortably and to live happily. So all these things, I mean, are huge election issues. And this is actually the election where you're going to really be voting for what happens within your neighborhoods, and within the suburbs that you live in.
Home.
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, just to make a very educated choice when you do.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us, Farhan, and all the best with this performance, though you claim that there is absolutely no pressure, and we're going to take your word for it.